Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short financial basics video is about teaching your child financial responsibility. It's a tough old world out there, and the sooner you start teaching your child about personal financial responsibility, the better. Children can learn the basics about money at a very early age. Start when she is about 3 years old. Take her to the grocery store and explain in different ways that the money you earn while you are away working is what pays for the food that you are buying. Give the child a small amount of money, let her choose something she wants and pay for it herself. Begin giving her a small weekly allowance when she's 6 or 7 years old. Get her a piggy bank and teach her to save first, spend second. Give her small chores that she can easily manage and attach doing the chores to receiving the allowance. In other words, help her come to the obvious conclusion that work equals income. Pick a date, such as her birthday, to increase her allowance and the chores required of her. By the time she is 12 to 14, begin encouraging her to earn extra money by getting some jobs on her own. Encourage her to save for things she would consider long-term goals, such as buying a car. A part-time job should be considered by the time she is 16. Be sure it's not one that will interfere with his schoolwork. After she graduates high school and is ready to start college, get her a prepaid credit card. Explain that you can add money to it as required, but also explain that you will be able to see exactly how the money is being spent. Slow and steady, you can teach your kids financial responsibility and prepare them for a successful financial future. I hope you got something positive from this video. Please share your thoughts below in the comments. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.